Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to verify payment address PIN in Google AdSense account in your Google AdSense account. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, you just have to sign in into your AdSense account. Unfortunately, I cannot show you guys how to do it practically in this video for security reasons. It's not allowed on YouTube, but it's really simple. Just sign in into your AdSense account, then just click on payments in the navigation menu, and then just click on verification check. Enter the PIN exactly as it appears in your PIN mailer. So they will mail you a PIN on your address that you have provided upon creating your Google AdSense account, and then you just have to click on submit, and your payment address should now be verified, and you will be paid out your balance when you reach the payment threshold. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.